sir.
I want that in few minutes you should guide that how to prepare for NEET PG. What is the best strategy? This is my question to you.
Yes, sir. Yeah. So, first of all, the basics should be very thorough, sir. So you need to focus. Firstly, you need to get thorough classes or basics, whatever you get. And later on for revision, what I did was I took BTR, sir, which is famous by Zainab Vora ma'am. So her book, it was there, BTR. So she did revision of 19 subjects in that book, sir, very crisp and clear. So we can, for last 10 days, so we can revise them very quickly, all the 19 subjects. For revision purpose, I recommend BTR, sir. And for taking BTR, your basics should be very strong. Then only you can understand the BTR.
And doctor, which subjects to give more priority according to you?
Surgery, sir, first of all, surgery, and then general medicine, surgery, general medicine. Later that, pathology. I have a list, sir. I'll forward it to you. They took one study on how previous yearly the questions were coming on different subjects. So they did a study and they did one table. I'll forward it to you, sir, so you can see in that.
And doctor, what type of questioning mostly arises in this exam?
Clinical questions, sir. Clinical questions. All the direct questions coming through from the past years, all those were not coming now. So no direct questions, only just a few direct questions. And you need to get thorough with PYQs, not PYQs, previous year topics. The question which is coming from previous year, you need to cover the whole topic around that question. If something is asked from molar pregnancy, you need to get thorough with molar pregnancy whole topic, not only the previous year question. You need to get thorough with the topic. So then you can cover the whole thing, sir.
And what should be our schedule in studying regarding this?
Yes, sir. First, you need to get a schedule first. You need to start from the exam day onwards so that you can get a little more leisure time when you get to the schedule. So if we start from the day to exam, then you'll get all the clumsiness in the end. So you need to take the schedule from the exam date to the day whichever you're studying right now. So then you can understand how many days were there and how much time is there left for you. So and from you can study for 7 to 8 hours, sir. Exactly, not for 11, 12, 13 hours. Some people would say I will be reading for 14 hours and all. You reading properly for 7 to 8 hours is more than enough. And after reading in the night, you should do some questions on topics what you read in the morning. Some custom module will be there, sir. So you can do the questions on the topics that you read in the morning, and then you'll get to know how much you grasped that morning and all. So 1 week you after completing one subject, you take up the another subject for reading next time, no? And you shouldn't leave the one subject that you read in the last week. You have to go through that previous subjects also. If you leave it, then you will forget it, sir. So you have to keep revising things. Revision is the most important thing.
Okay. And
Yes,
what is
sir.
the best tip for NEET PG aspirants according to you?
Best tip is you get thorough for PYTs and write grant test more often and take a look on the score, and you don't give a think about how much you're scoring. You just give the GTs grant test and you go through them, like how many mistakes you made, and learn from the grant test. Give grant test more often, then only you'll get for the exams.
Very nice.
Revision and giving grant test. That's the more important thing.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, doctor. This will help lot many. I know.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And I'm waiting for Brahmastra, sir.
Sure.
Mm.
Brahmastar will definitely be waiting for you. Okay. Soon it will reach
Yes, sir.
you.
Thank you.
And
Thank you,
listen
sir.
it today also, tomorrow also, and before going in interview also. You
Sure,
will
sir.
find always good things
Sure, sir.
and new things. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So it will reach you. Best of luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.